Hey there, my YouTube modeling friends, coming at you here today. Today, we're going to look at a kit that I bought off of eBay about a year ago. I don't remember how much I paid for it. It doesn't really matter at this point. But I bought this kit. It came in the mail. It came completely smashed and damaged. Picked up the Darrell Waltrip Neil Bonnet 84 Monte Carlo set. It's not even a set. It's one card with two decals. It came completely destroyed. As you see, that looks nice. Couple things rolling around in there. I haven't opened it up yet, so we're going to look at this together. We're going to see what got damaged, if anything, and we're going to see if the decals are still usable, see if any of the parts are still usable. So, come with me on this little journey of opening this damaged kit. Alright, like I said, bought this guy off of eBay because I really wanted to do the Darrell Waltrip car. I had recently did the Darrell Waltrip Monogram set that came with the Regal Mountain Dew and the Monte Carlo Pepsi, the Pepsi Challenger car, the yellow one. That one's pretty cool. So I wanted to do the 84 Budweiser one. As you can see, it came completely damaged. Now I know the person I bought it from did not send it like this because the box that it was in was also completely damaged. So I'm going to just blame it on the delivery. So this is a 1984 Monogram kit. As you can see, it is a bonanza value of $5.99. I like over here, it's got the free t-shirt. Send in $2 shipping handling. Expires April 30th, 85. So I think we're a little past that. I don't think I get my free shirt. So I'm going to open this up, and we're going to see if anything's damaged. We're going to see if anything's not damaged. So this will be the first time I've opened it up, so this will be exciting for both of us. So, somewhere over here, I saw there was a rip in the wrapper, right here. We're just going to tear it from here. I'm doing this one-handed because I'm holding the phone. Holding the phone, which is the camera. Alright, so there it is, out of the the box here. Alright. See, it's got the 1984 copyright date. Alright, let me put the camera down, open the box real quick. Alright. So, box is open. This is the first time we've seen what's inside of it. We have the tree of tires. The tire tree. As somebody once said online, this is how tires grow in the wild. On the little trees. I always found that funny. Alright. Let's take the bag out. What do we got in this bag? Parts bag. Let's see what's in the bottom here. What do we got? Here's for our free t-shirt. I am crazy. Monogram plastic model kit. Alright. Send that to Morton Grove, Illinois. Click your size. It doesn't even have my size anyways. It only goes up to extra large. Print your name and address. Alright. Here is some glass. That looks intact. Very nice. There is a chrome tree. Looks like something's missing over here. We'll look in the box, see if that is a piece missing. That looks good. Oh, I found the radiator that was missing. That looks to be good too. Here's the instructions. Instructions are instructions. I don't think to really ruin the instructions unless they're water damaged. Typical Monogram NASCAR kit instructions. Here's the other ones you could buy. Built that one. Would like to do this one. That one's cool. Alright, and then you got the two Budweiser decal sets. Alright, now let's look at the decals. The decals are on the bottom here. Oh, it's a small decal sheet. Alright. So, a little crease here through the Budweiser. That could probably lay flat. A lot of A lot of white around the decals. Have to trim them closely. There's the 11, there's the 12. The fonts for the ones are different, I noticed. Got that one, and then you got that one. Alright, the decals look like they could be usable. I'm liking it. Alright, we'll put that up here. Let's open the bag of parts, which I think should just be normal. Monogram Monte Carlo kit. Again, I'm holding the phone, let him open this. All these roll cages were pretty much the same back in the 80s for these kits. You built one, you built them all, basically. The bodies were just different on it. Looks pretty straight. Uh-oh. What's that? Looks like that's where he, come on, focus. It's like a tire melted through the plastic on the plastic there. I know the NPC kits do that, actually, over time. So I'm going to have to sand that out. Maybe a little putty there. Alright, everything else looks okay. I think so. That's the body. Here's the front nose. These mid-80s Monte Carlos were always really cool. Alright. Chassis. Rear suspension. Drive shaft. Looks good. Roll cage. Also looks really good. Oh, looks like we broke off on the front here. Let's see if that's in the bag here. That should be in the bag. Those will glue right back on, because the firewall will come right off through here. And then these actually get, the bars actually come over and get placed in the front of the chassis here. So that'd be okay if the parts is here. I don't see why they wouldn't be. Here's stiffener arm, which is also melted here. Look at that. It's like the tire. Why is it not focusing? Looks like the tire got through a little bit there. So I'm going to have to sand that down. Here's the camera. Part of the radiator. Okay. Oh, see here? I'm getting stuck here. The headers are stuck to the firewall. Let me put the camera down again for a second, because parts are interconnected. There we go. Alright. There we go. Here's engine, front suspension. Let's put this over here so it's not... Alright, everything's looking good. Looking good. Put that off here. Next one here is the hood, the seats, the firewall. Hood looks good. Fuel tank looks good. Top of the dashboard looks good. Seat, two separate parts, very cool. Alright, and then here's the rear bumper. It's got some flash on it, no biggie. There's a little piece here. This looks like that came off the rear suspension part here. Where are we at here? That should be right here. This piece right here. Alright. Oh, that came right off the tree. So that should go on there like that. So a little super glue, that should be okay. Got a little flash on this kit I'm noticing, but that's alright. Ain't nothing X-Acto can't trim off. And last part in the box is the front bar there that I was looking for the side of the roll cage. Alright. And that is the empty box. As you can see, all nicely damaged. So, with that being said, everything looks to be here. Everything looks in great shape. I was a little nervous that things would be broken, judging by the box. So we looked at it together. If you have any comment suggestions on the kit, like I said, not major damage, but the closest thing I could find to being a problem would be just that little melting right there. The decals look like they're going to be okay, because that'll lay down flat anyways. Right there, the nice Budweiser across the hood. So, looks like with the instructions, all I would have to do is paint the red, white, and blue scheme. Which I probably would anyways. I don't think those blue... If the blue was a decal, I don't think I would want to do it. So. Very nice. Very nice. Like I said, I was a little nervous about it because of the way the box was damaged. But I think we're going to be okay, and I think we're going to build a real nice Darrell Waltrip Budweiser car sometime down the line. Alright, thanks for watching this with me. Thanks for coming on the journey of opening this box. Hey, I want to thank all my subscribers again. Thank you for everyone writing, the comments, and the likes. So, until next time, I will see you guys later. Dun, dun, dun.